for people saying, and I quote, for people saying send them back, legally we can't. And you might that is simply a fact. I will get to questions, but let me finish the introduction. Lots of you have also asked, why is it an entirely male population? Now, the short answer is that it is very, very largely men that make the journey in small boats across the channel. And that is because, for whatever reason, it is men who are more able to make that journey. Hotels in Skegness. And tonight, what I'm going to try and do is answer as many of your questions as I possibly can with the gentleman behind me. And I'm going to try and do that as honestly, as straightforwardly as I possibly can. One of the problems that we have with the nature of people still coming in the kind of numbers that they have is that I can't stand here and promise you that, for instance, those short-term bookings might not become more long-term.
Well, you need to! You need to!
But there are, according to the Home Office, 6 hotels across the constituency, 5 of them in Skegness. That houses currently 215 people. Now they are from Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, Eritrea, Ethiopia. They are from some of the most war-torn and troubled It is the case that we have far too big a backlog of cases. It is the case that we should be exploring different kinds of accommodation. And it is